Hello guys, hello my business in Africa YouTube community. My name is Rufo Chifu, the CEO founder of HR and Systems, and I manage this channel. For those of you who've been watching me over the years, I always talk about the best business ideas to invest in Africa. And I have been having a lot of questions from investors like you asking me which African country should I invest in and which business is the most profitable business to invest in Africa. I therefore decided to create this. The unique business ideas for every African country, all in one place. That's so great. So you don't need to come and ask me that question again. You just need to go on Amazon Kindle and download this book. It's not a book, it's a tool. If you're an investor and you want to invest in Africa, then you need this tool. I also decided to create this other tool right here. It's called the African Business Startup BRAINBOX, which is going to answer all the questions about the procedures to set up companies in Africa, the estimated cost, and then of course the estimated time for every African country, the 54 of them, all in one place. Guys, let's invest in 2020. I hope you grab one right now. Click on the links in the description box below and download your own copy. 2021 is supposed to be an investment year for all of us. I'll see you soon.